Welcome to our unboxing video of the day. What do we have here? It looks like a bee party. We have these fun bee wristbands, finger puppets, child size or adult size, 24 bee pencils. To go with the bee pencils, some fun bee erasers, actually lots of bee erasers. Party hats, our bee table cover, 20 lunch napkins, 8 dessert plates, a bee shaped plate, 8 dinner plates, and a fun baby shower banner. And last but not least, our bee stickers. These are great for party favors, decorations, however you see fit.